Hey guys, Steve Simpson here with Central Florida Property Management. Hope you guys are doing well. Wanted to chat real quick about a question we get asked frequently, and that is whether or not to include landscaping with rent. That's assuming you have a single family property, not a condo or a townhouse. The answer really is, in my opinion, it depends. If your property is located in an HOA and that HOA is really strict with landscaping, in my opinion, it's better just to go ahead, take care of landscaping, and lump it into rent. We do have obviously the option of having the tenant take care of landscaping, and if the tenant doesn't, there's things in our lease that say we can charge it back to them, get it cut on their behalf, so on and so forth. But in my experience, if the HOA is breathing down your neck about landscaping, just pay for it, lump it into rent, forget about it. Also to consider would be your competition in respect to your property versus other properties in the market. Usually with higher end homes or homes higher up on the scale, if the other properties that your potential tenants are looking at include landscaping, I would recommend including landscaping, just to compare apples to apples. And a lot of tenants that are looking in that higher price point basically expect to have landscaping included with rent as part of their rent. If the property does not fall into one of those categories, it's kind of up to you. My mindset would be let the tenants take care of it, because basically, if it gets a little bit bad and you have to maybe do some work to it after they move out, usually that's cheaper than paying for landscaping services. On the other hand, if you have a property that has really nice landscaping and you want to keep that up, that's obviously probably a good idea too. It kind of depends on the property, but to me, the main two things to worry about or to think about are, do I have an HOA that's going to fine me if the grass isn't cut, and are my potential tenants expecting landscaping to be included? If either of those are a yes, then I would go ahead and take care of it. If not, it's really kind of up to you, I would say. If you guys have any thoughts or questions, please leave them below. I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks.